After we've completed our title and abstract screening within JBI Summary, we can now screen the full text of the included studies from title and abstract screening in the next phase of screening. After reading the complete full text of the study, we need to ask ourselves, is the study relevant to include in or exclude from our systematic review? Now I'm currently in the screening panel pane of the top navigation panel, and we can see the overview statistics of both screening phases. As you can see here, 4 studies have been retrieved from title and abstract screening. So there are 4 pending records to screen at full text screening. If we click on the button, what we're presented with is a page that looks very similar to the title and abstract tab. We have the title of the study, the authors, the journal it was published in, and the abstract, as well as its DOI and the full text link, if provided. If I click on the full text link here, it will open a new tab where I can read the paper itself. Let's assume that I've read the full text of this study thoroughly and I've determined that we need to exclude this study. To make a decision, we have 2 options to pick from in the top right corner of this study's box. We either include or exclude. In this case, I will be excluding this study. An input dialog will now pop up at the bottom of this study's box, prompting me to select a reason why I've chosen to exclude this study. In the drop-down list, JBI Summary gives you a choice of preset common reasons, and if none of them fit your reason for exclusion, you can scroll to the bottom and manually add a new reason. So, for example, I might determine that the intervention was ineligible. I then would click Ineligible Intervention and confirm by clicking the red Exclude button. Say that I read through the text a second time and decide that the study might be relevant. I can click on the Cancel button next to the exclusion reason bar, and it will bring me back to the start. I'm going to do this again for this study from Berlin. I'm going to exclude this study, and I'm going to select an arbitrary exclusion reason, and again, click Exclude. Now what you may notice is that again, we have 2 conflicted studies. Just like title and abstract screening, we need 2 unanimous decisions to either include or exclude the study to progress with the review. If we jump into the Conflicted tab, we can see that for the study of the effects of nicotine patch versus varenicline, I have excluded it with the reason being an ineligible intervention. But the user JBI Summary has chosen to include this study. Project owners and privileged reviewers can resolve these conflicted results. Let's just say that as a privileged reviewer, I choose to include this study. If I like, I can also choose a reason as to why I included the conflicted study, but this is completely optional. For now, I'm going to leave it blank and select Include. I'm going to do this again for my second study by Berlin. Include. Include. If I jump back to my screening overview pane, you'll see that I've included 2 studies at the level of full text screening.